You've likely heard the claim that the moon landing was staged in a Hollywood studio. However, a closer look at the technology and logistics of 1969 reveals something surprising. Simulating such an event would have been far more difficult than actually carrying it out. In this video, we'll examine 3 well-documented pieces of evidence that demonstrate how humanity successfully reached the lunar surface. First, let's talk about the mirrors. During the Apollo missions, astronauts placed retroreflector arrays on the lunar surface. To this very day, observatories around the world fire high-powered lasers at these exact spots, and the light bounces right back. Now, skeptics might say a robot could have placed them, but think about the context. In 1969, we were only in the 3rd generation of computers. Processing power was extremely limited. Your modern calculator has more brains than the guidance computer that went to the moon. Designing a robot with the precision to navigate the lunar terrain and perfectly align these mirrors was technically impossible with 1969 technology. Unless a human hand placed them there, those lasers wouldn't be bouncing back today. Second, the eye in the sky. In 2009, NASA launched the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which is still circling the moon today, capturing high-resolution imagery of the surface. These images provide undeniable visual proof. In the photos of the Apollo 11 landing site, you can clearly identify the descent stage of the lunar module sitting exactly where it landed. But the most incredible detail, the astronauts' tracks. Because the moon has no atmosphere and no wind to blow them away, the footprints left by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in 1969 remain perfectly preserved. These aren't just grainy photos from the 60s. This is modern, high-definition reconnaissance showing the physical scars we left on the lunar surface. Finally, the rocks don't lie. The Apollo missions brought back over 840 pounds of lunar material. Skeptics often claim these could have been faked or were just meteorites found on Earth. But science tells a different story. These lunar samples possess a unique geological fingerprint. They contain 0 water trapped in their crystal structures, something impossible for any rock on Earth. Furthermore, they are covered in microscopic zap pits caused by high-speed space dust, which would have burnt up in Earth's atmosphere. These rocks have been independently verified by scientists from dozens of countries for over 50 years. To fake this, you wouldn't just need a movie set. You'd need to rewrite the laws of chemistry and geology itself. The evidence is clear, and it's etched in the lunar dust. Space exploration isn't just about the flags and footprints, it's about the science that survives. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button and subscribe to AstroExplorer for more deep dives into the cosmos. What do you think? Is the case finally closed? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up.